Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2019 Ford Escape. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a tachometer, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.